upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max versus Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, specs, features and more. Welcome back to our channel, tech enthusiasts. Today we have an exciting showdown for you. The highly anticipated iPhone 15 Pro Max versus the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. While neither of these devices have been officially announced yet, we've gathered some insider information and leaks to give you a sneak peek into what to expect. Let's dive right in. Price and availability are always top concerns for consumers, and both Apple and Samsung have a reputation for releasing their flagship devices around specific times of the year. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to arrive in the fall of 2023, following Apple's tradition of September releases. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is likely to make its debut in early 2024, most likely in February. As for the pricing, rumors suggest a potential $100 price increase for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, putting it at $1,199, similar to the price range of Samsung's Ultra models. However, exact details on the Galaxy S24 Ultra pricing are not yet available. When it comes to design, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is expected to retain its iconic look, but with some refinements. One notable change might be the introduction of curved sides, departing from the straight edges of its predecessor, the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Additionally, reports suggest the removal of the display notch in favor of a dynamic island on all four models, thinner display bezels, and a new action key. Meanwhile, details about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra's design are still scarce, although leaked renders hint at a redesigned camera hump. Stay tuned for more updates on this front. Moving on to specs and features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is rumored to offer exclusive features not available on the standard iPhone 15 Pro. While specific details are still under wraps, Apple's focus on its Pro models suggests impressive advancements. On the other hand, Samsung is known for backing its flagship devices with cutting-edge technology, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra is expected to continue this trend. Unfortunately, we don't have extensive information on the specs of either device at this time, but we'll keep you updated as more leaks surface. In conclusion, both the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra are generating considerable excitement in the tech community. Apple enthusiasts eagerly await the iPhone 15 Pro Max, which is anticipated to arrive first in the fall of 2023. Meanwhile, Samsung fans are looking forward to the Galaxy S24 Ultra, likely to launch in early 2024. As we further await details and official announcements, it's clear that both companies are aiming to raise the bar with these flagship devices. Thanks for tuning in to our channel today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay up to date with the latest tech news. Don't forget to leave a comment down below with your thoughts on the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max and Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.